So this is what I ended up having to work with. I was trying to just trim back under the window, but as I got deeper into it, I discovered that every single branch was just growing straight up, well, not even straight, completely at an angle, almost lying over. And there wasn't even a place that I could just trim back to kind of allow the little shrub to regrow in a good and healthy way. So as I got deeper in, I just realized I need to take out everything and start fresh. So hopefully they'll actually grow up from the clump that's left behind. So it's a very old shrub, and there probably are 7 or 8 of them under this window. I'm sure it's going to look quite barren and terrible for a while, but it seemed like the smartest way, kind of like a really good haircut after a bad perm. So we'll clean it all out, maybe get in and clean the window, which the shrub actually was almost halfway up that window, and put in some fresh plant food and ground cover, and we'll start with something new here.